Welcome to Exam Sale. This voiceover explains the syllabus for the HP, Building HPE Server Solutions exam and what you need to master to pass. Overview of the exam divides into 5 domains with exact weights. Install, configure, and set up HPE Server Solutions is 35%. Manage, monitor, and maintain HPE Server Solutions is 25%. Identify and describe the HPE server portfolio is 15%. Troubleshoot HPE Server Solutions is 15%, and describe, differentiate, and apply IT industry trends and standard technologies is 10%. Each domain includes targeted topics, a stated difficulty, estimated learning hours, and an assessment type to guide your study plan. Install, configure, and set up HPE Server Solutions is worth 35%, is rated hard, and has an estimated learning time of 14 hours with hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will learn how to validate site requirements for power and cooling, install ProLint, Synergy, and Apollo hardware into racks, and connect power and network cabling to best practices while identifying panels and LED indicators. You will also master UEFI and BIOS configuration including workload profiles and secure boot, storage and RAID setup with HPE Smart Array and SSA, and automated provisioning using intelligent provisioning, OneView server profiles, and Synergy image streamer. Manage, monitor, and maintain HPE Server Solutions is 25%, rated medium, and recommends about 10 hours with hands-on plus conceptual assessment. This domain teaches ongoing administration with HPE ILO and HPE OneView, including configuring ILO management networks and security, using ILO Federation for multi-server tasks, and monitoring server health and power consumption. You will practice OneView administration for server profile templates, logical interconnects, and firmware compliance, and learn firmware and software maintenance using the service pack for ProLint, Smart Update Manager, and non-disruptive update planning. Identify and describe the HPE server portfolio is 15%, rated easy, and requires roughly 6 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will distinguish ProLint ML, DL, and BL series and understand use cases for ProLint Gen 10 and Gen 10 Plus, chassis choices, and internal components. You will also learn the Synergy composable infrastructure and Apollo high-density platforms, including Synergy frames, compute modules, image streamer roles, and the benefits of HPE Silicon Root of Trust security. Troubleshoot HPE Server Solutions is 15%, rated hard, and suggests about 6 hours with scenario-based assessment. This domain covers systematic troubleshooting steps, interpreting front panel and health LEDs, diagnosing power on and boot failures, and analyzing integrated management log entries and active health system data. You will practice recovery procedures using ILO and support tools, perform firmware rollbacks, resolve UEFI and RAID conflicts, and use Insight Diagnostics and InfoSight for proactive detection and validation. Describe, differentiate, and apply IT industry trends and standard technologies as 10%, rated medium, and estimates 4 hours with conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will define composable infrastructure and its business value, understand hybrid cloud trends and integration points, and appreciate software-defined models and data center efficiency standards. This domain also covers current CPU and memory advancements and industry security standards that shape server design and deployment decisions. To conclude, plan about 40 hours of focused study time across the 5 domains and emphasize hands-on practice with ILO, OneView, intelligent provisioning, and RAID configuration. Review conceptual topics and scenario-based troubleshooting. Use official HPE documentation and practice labs, and prioritize the 35% deployment domain while keeping steady progress on monitoring, portfolio knowledge, trends, and troubleshooting.